Hi, my name is Jimmy Henderson out of Atlanta, Georgia, racing up here at Cryptic Side-by-Side at Dirt World Racetrack. Got some great shocks by PAC today. I really appreciate the work they've done for me. You know, a real personal relationship. They listen to what I say, and they listen to what I'm feeling in the car, and he communicates back to me, you know, what we're trying to accomplish and what he's doing. Really helps me tune the car at the racetrack. The personal relationship with your shock tuner is just so important. Goose came up to the track, spent some time at the track, and then brought his shocks actually up to the shop. And we worked on the dyno together and had an opportunity to get in his shop and see what he's thinking. And you know, he comes to the track, he's there when I need him, and I really appreciate that. They're very clear about how he's trying to set the car up and what they're trying to accomplish with the feedback. And then he tells me exactly what I need to do under certain conditions, and that's just makes it very simple for me at the track, setting the car up on these side-by-sides.